Like every other person who walks this planet, Yolanda has needs. Being only 6 years old, her needs are few. Today, she needs to have her hair fixed and she needs to have a baby sister soon. Her mom, Elena, is taking care of both of those needs. Her hair being fixed, Yolanda walks proudly into ASELSI's Father's Heart Clinic for Mom's last checkup before her little sister makes her dramatic entrance into the world.
Pregnant women are definitely in need of vitamins.
Okay, so Yolanda's mom has needs, but then again, so does clinic director Kathy Hartle. Elena is just one of hundreds of expectant mothers who come to ASELSI each year for help. Today, that help came in the form of an ultrasound, the tender touch of an ASELSI nurse, and another couple of weeks' supply of prenatal vitamins. Like Kathy said, a definite need for expectant mothers in Guatemala, but not the only need for the Father's Heart Clinic.
For diabetes, for our hypertension patients, for Parkinson's patients, hypothyroid patients, for seizure patients.
Which brings us to Emilio, who has suffered from diabetes for many years. Like every other person who walks this planet, he has needs. Unlike Yolanda, his needs are many. Today, his biggest need is to get help for his eyes. They burn, they itch. In his words, they just don't work. A common problem in the mountains of Guatemala.
The people here did not have glasses.
Which brings us to Dr. Jim Gamble's needs, the need to help Emilio and so many others like him with visual problems. For the past 8 years, he's been doing just that. First by bringing glasses with him when he visits from the States, and then by setting up a program for the clinic staff to run when he's not in Guatemala.
So that the needs here could be met on an ongoing basis.
Needs, like the constant flow of hurting people walking into the clinic, they just keep on coming. To meet those needs, Dr. Gamble needed better equipment.
Really needed some economical way to ship down some bulky, large, and heavy equipment.
To supply that need, a friend suggested just 2 words: Vine International.
And what they offered was very reasonable cost-wise, very professional handling of the planning, the receipt of the goods.
Since 1993, Vine International has been delivering the goods. Goods like walkers, canes, and crutches for the ASELSI physical therapy program. The goods for Dr. Jim came in the form of an examination chair. For Kathy, the goods came in the form of a box. In fact, many boxes filled with, among other medicines, prenatal vitamins for Yolanda's mom.
We probably pick up shipments from Guatemala City from Vine International twice a year.
That's one of the places Vine International, a Christian nonprofit relief organization, stores tons and tons of donated supplies used to aid Central America.
And then we go through and we pick what we need for our clinics.
Needs that just keep on coming. But then again, so do the shipments from Vine International.
We get a lot of our medicines for them. Without them, we wouldn't really have a clinic.
In John 15, Jesus says, "I am the vine, you are the branches." Vine International sees itself as one of the branches, a branch that has touched in a significant way another branch, ASELSI's Father's Heart Clinic. A clinic that gives hope to a little girl that one day very soon she'll have a healthy baby sister. A clinic that allows a man like Emilio to have another man literally look him in the eye and see the need, and at the same time offer help.